Hey guys, today I am going to show you exactly how to add an electronic program guide or EPG to your VLC media player. This turns your simple player into a full-blown TV hub. First, make sure you're running the latest version, which you can check by going to the Help menu and clicking About. Now let's check the Internet settings. Open VLC and go to Tools at the top, then click on Preferences at the bottom. In the window that pops up, look at the bottom left corner under Show Settings and switch it from Simple to All. This unlocks the Advanced Preferences menu you can see on my screen. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to Input and Codecs and click the small arrow next to it to expand the submenus. Now look for Access Modules and expand that as well. You will see a DTV section here. While this is used for digital tuner cards, the HTTP section nearby handles the actual connection for most web-based streams, even if it only shows basic options like auto reconnect. The most important part is under Demuxers, so expand that and click on MPEG-TS. This is the engine that handles the EPG data packets. Ensure these settings are at their default so VLC can read the guide data automatically. Now click Save to exit the preferences. Back on the main player screen, click Media at the top and select Open Network Stream. Paste your M3U playlist link here and hit play. Once the stream starts, go to the Tools menu and select Program Guide. A new window will pop up showing the full schedule for your channels. And that's it. You now have a functional TV guide inside VLC. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments, like the video, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.